Welcome back to my cookie channel with Daniela. Today we are doing this takeout for school. I'm sorry for like 2 weeks now we never make a video. That's because we are trying to use our school schedule, the work schedule and everything. So that's it. We'll be trying our best to make our video maybe early morning like this or midnight. We have 1.7 pounds of sliced chicken. So just put soy sauce. I have here cornstarch, bouillon, salt, black pepper, and baking powder. I'll put the measurement for the cashew just to mix it together. I'm actually going to use it tomorrow morning. I won't be having time to do all these ones tomorrow morning, so I just want to season it till tomorrow morning before using it. Just add the oil. I'll just be putting the chicken inside. Anyway, I will do it one time. I marinate this chicken last night before I go to bed. I will show you what I use to marinate it. It all will be in the description. You can do your own twice if you want to, but I do not have, I'll be just turning it around because I do not have long time. I'm supposed to be leaving the house by 7:20 at least. It's already 7 now. Yeah, that's how tight time is. Please, now that you know how tight our time is, could you please subscribe and help us to share to support us, please? We will appreciate, and then yeah, we will always appreciate for helping us to grow. Just taking this one out. Done. We're still using the same pot. Just adding garlic now. After taking out the chicken, I remove it from the oil. Add it on the onion. You can add more onion if you like. A lot of onion. Add the broccoli. I don't know how you like your broccoli, but I like my own not too done. I will put back the chicken. Here comes the rice. Remember, the rice is already parboiled. It's what we have left over at home. So if you are making your rice for this, make sure the rice is not 100% soft, so they won't join together. Now we just add this cornstarch. Just wait for it to be a little bit ready, like one, then we're done. Our lunch is ready. So you can see. Is it one enough for you?
Yeah.
Okay. Is this one enough for you?
Yeah, thank you.
This is for me. I don't have to ask. Is this one enough for you? Yeah. Okay. Yeah, see, that's our morning routine these days. Rush. Thank you for watching it to this end. Please help us to subscribe and share and like. Please, we really need your comment. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye. See you next week. We'll do as much as possible to make sure we get one video once in a week, since we stopped for 2 weeks. Thank you. Bye.